Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to fix a noisy blower fan in a 2004 Chevy Silverado. And what happens is when you turn this on, this just makes a really loud, rattly, vibrating noise. Let's turn that off so you can hear me. So that's rattling pretty good, making some vibration and lots of noise down in the fan. And I'm going to show you how to take that out. We can either change it, or if it's just dirty, we're going to clean it out. Okay, now our blower fan is down here. On some models, there's a cover right here that you need to take off. This is just a work truck, so there's nothing down here. And there's your blower fan. And this is what we're going to remove. Now this is a pretty simple job. You actually don't even need any tools to do this. But I'm going to bring the camera in here, see if I can show you what this looks like. It's got one electrical connection right here. Okay, right here, this little plastic tab is what you just need to pull down just a little bit. See that? Just a little bit like that. And while you're doing that, rotate this counterclockwise. See that? Rotate it counterclockwise, and then that will allow this blower, the whole blower and motor, to come out. And we have not disconnected the electrical connection yet. We'll do that here in a second. So now that we have it out, we can push this in and disconnect it. I'm just using a key to push that in. Makes it a little bit easier. Disconnect that. And then, I don't know if you saw, but when I pulled that out, you can see that's full of all kinds of junk. Looks like some insulation from under the dash. So we'll get this cleaned up, and then we'll put it back in. So I got the fan cleaned up, and doesn't have any noise turning it side to side. It doesn't spin as freely as I would expect, but it doesn't have any grinding or anything. So we're just going to put it back in. We'll just reconnect that electrical connector right here, our power source, and then just plug that in. Now I've got it plugged back in. You can see it works fine. Moves lots of air, and it's not rattling or vibrating now. We can reposition the fan back up underneath here. Put it right back up into that opening. There we go. So you see this tab right here. That's we're going to turn this clockwise, and then see it'll hit this little stop and click into place, and that locks your fan motor into place. It's also a great idea to change your cabin air filter at the same time you're doing this, if you have one. This particular model does not have a cabin air filter. Normally it would be in this area here with a little screw to drop down this panel, but this is actually sealed from the factory, so that there's not an access panel for a cabin air filter, so we will not be changing it here. This particular truck, it does list a part for that cabin air filter, but does not exist on this model. And you're done. All you can hear is the fan moving air, not making noise, not rattling like it was earlier. So pretty quick, easy job. No tools required, no money required. I will put a link in the description to a new blower fan in case you find that you do need one, or if yours is bad. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.